Hey everyone, we're going to talk about comparing lists. So we've created 4 lists, A, B, C, and D, and first we're going to check them for equality. So we compare A and B first, and we see that they are equal because they contain the exact same elements. However, whenever we compare A and C, we see that they're not equal because they differ at the last element. A has 7 in its last spot, and C has 8 in its last spot. Now we're going to check and see if a list is less than another list. So Python does this by comparing the prefixes of the list. So what I mean by this is it looks and it sees that A and C have the same prefix all the way up till the last element. Now Python looks at where they differ and it compares just those elements to see which list is greater. So C has 8 in the spot where they first differ, and A has 7 in the spot where the two lists first differ. And so since 8 is greater than 7, that means that C is greater than A. So A being less than C is true. However, when we compare A and D, we see that they have the same prefix up until when D ends, but then since A has more elements after that, then A is greater than D. To further show this, I can add a whole bunch of elements onto the end of A, and it won't change anything. We see that A is still less than C because it just cares about the first spot where they're different, which is right here. But if I change the first element of any of these, so if I change A to be 8 in its first element, now A will actually be greater than C because the first element where they differ is actually the first element, and 8 is greater than 2. And we see that now A is not less than C anymore.